Okay, guys, here is why you should never, ever, 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 ever pull fire alarms. It is not cool, it is not funny, it is dumb and dangerous and can get you into a lot of trouble. Don't do that, ever. If you pull the fire alarm at my school when there is no fire, you're going to get expelled from school and you're going to get arrested for reporting a false alarm. So never pull the fire alarm at school when there is no fire. Never pull fire alarms in public unless there is a real fire, or if you have permission to do it during a fire drill at school, or if you have permission to do it during a test. If you have your own fire alarm, you can pull it whenever you want. But the bottom line is don't ever pull fire alarms in public unless there really is a fire. If you pull the fire alarm for fun, you're putting other people's lives at risk, because the fire department will have to respond to the false alarm, and there could be another emergency somewhere else, and they can't be at the real emergency because you pulled that false fire alarm. Because of you, people are dying, so that is not good at all. So this is why you should never, ever, 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 ever pull fire alarms in public unless you really do detect a fire in the building. So, if you're one of the individuals that like to pull fire alarms for fun, then let me tell you, you are dumb for sure. Because you should never, ever pull fire alarms for fun. Or else you're going to get into a lot of trouble for doing that. You're going to get fined and you're going to get arrested. So this is not a joke. This is very serious stuff. Don't ever pull fire alarms in public without a fire. I am not responsible for your actions. Remember, you are responsible because you did it, not me. This is very serious stuff. I hope you took my advice very seriously, because you should not be pulling fire alarms unless there really is a fire in the building. Bye!